I am at Formula 1.
It's been a long time coming. They ain't cuffing my clock, they tugging. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. They ain't cuffing my clock, they tugging. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, who don't play? Play. Who don't play?
Music licensing reimagined.
I am at Formula 1 in Miami, Grand Prix. So we are here at the VIP zone and we can have drinks here. Not just soft drinks, also alcohol drinks.
2 shots of vodka.
You also can get ice cream here for free. That's so cool. So here's a paddock club lounge, and here you can get any food you want.
This is a typical sauce in Spanish in the Catalonia. It's made with the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, the vinegar. It's really good.
So this is what we got. Looks so yummy. Great. Those were those shoes. Let's go, girls. Let's go. Oh my god. It's actually so cool to experience all this because Formula 1 is something like legendary. It's not just bullshit event. This is Formula 1. That was a Black Series AMG safety car. I want to explain why I'm wearing McLaren hat. Last time when I was in Austin for Formula 1, McLaren gave me free tickets, so I decided to buy McLaren hat to support the team. So yeah, but to be true with you, I'm cheering for Mercedes because I am a Mercedes girl. We are at the Formula 1 and we are watching Formula 1 on TV. So who's the winner? Where are they? The race is even not started and McLaren is done. I had to throw away this set and get Mercedes one. Here are the winners. Here's the helmets. Like the big collection of helmets inside of the lounge here. It's so nice. I want one of them. Wow. Here's a Red Bull one. with the Honda engine. We know who makes Honda engines. What do you do for a living?
I'm selling Hondas.
For Formula One or what?
Yeah, engines for Formula One drivers.
Here's safety cars. Black Series 1, Black Series 2. There's a GT. Of course, Mercedes is a safety car. The best car. Here are the team's boxes. Close up. Okay guys, I am in the Tokyo Miami car meet and I want to show you the cars here because they are amazing. Let's start with this R34 Nismo with this engine. I don't know what is this, but this is amazing. Just feel the vibe, guys. This is like Daikoku car meet in Japan, but we're here in United States in Miami and you see all the cars here. Wow, just wow. And I came late. What about this baby? Wow, wow. That's solid camera car. And that's solid car. Nice car! Nice! GDM, Italian, German. What else we need? This one is the best one, of course. Okay, this Corvette is amazing because it has a Z06. Yeah! This was my favorite car in the Need for Speed.